Hello everybody, today we are at the Nature Center here in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and today I'm going to give y'all a full tour of the indoor facility. So here is the fish we can find in here, and there are also these two turtles. Sadly, there is no catfish in here right now, and here's a good view of the tank. So this right here is the western rat snake, also referred to as the chicken snake enclosure, and he is hanging out right up there getting warmed up. This right here is the speckled king snake hanging out in this corner next to the water bowl. So this right here is the western pygmy rattlesnake hanging out right here. This right here is the western diamondback rattlesnake, actually the most venomous snake in my home state of Arkansas. So this right here is the southern copperhead, and is the snake that bites the most people here in Arkansas. This right here is the rough green snake enclosure, actually the same species that we have as our own pet. There's one right there, and also there is one climbing around up here. So this right here is the taxidermied marmot area, where these are all animals you can find in the swamps. And there are also Halloween decorations. See if you can spot all 5. This right here is the cottonmouth, which is probably one of the most feared snakes we have in our area of Arkansas. This right here is the spiny softshell turtle. There is supposed to be more, but he's the only one that I could find. So this is an enclosure with leopard frogs and tree frogs. Haven't found a leopard frog, but we did find that tree frog, and there's another one on that ledge right there. This right here is the chocolate tarantula, the only species of tarantula you can find here in Arkansas. This right here is the three-toed box turtle hanging out right behind this waterfall. Absolutely beautiful head. This right here is the timber rattlesnake, also known as the canebrake rattlesnake, and can be found all over Arkansas. So this is the great horned owl, the biggest type of owl that you can even find in Arkansas. So these are tons of different skulls of animals. So here's all of these and a full-bodied alligator snapping turtle. If you need to, pause the video in order to get to read the names of these animals. So these are the 6 venomous snakes of Arkansas for quick identification. This is the timber rattlesnake, also known as the canebrake. That up there is the western pygmy rattlesnake. That is the copperhead. That is the western cottonmouth. That is the western diamondback rattlesnake, and that is the Texas coral snake. So this is an enclosure with the American alligator, common mat turtle, and red-eared slider, while you also have some fish such as goldfish and bluegills.